Okay guys, welcome back. We're going to do Model Monitor from SageMaker. This is to alert you when model drift happens and to do jobs on it. Okay, so first we're just going to do a simple XGBoost model. You can do any model you want. So first as usual, you create a bucket, which has train split after a label encoder, and upload into the S3 buckets, XGBoost URI, fit the train set because I planned on using the validation for something else at the end. Okay. Okay, so default model monitor. This is what I was talking about. So the sampling percentage is 100%, and you're going to deploy that along with the thing you're deploying. Okay, so we're going to do a quick prediction locally. Okay, that was from the test set. And then we're going to suggest a baseline. At this instance. And then I use the heart data set, the same one it was originally trained on, the original data frame for ground truth. Header equals true because it obviously has a header. And then as you can see, look at the log, see what it's doing. This is binary classification data set. And then we're going to get down to the results. For your baselines. Okay, so there's the baseline monitoring job, like I was talking about. Okay, and then right here, each time you do a scheduling job, if you cancel, you absolutely have to, you have to name it a new scheduling job, obviously. It's still waiting for the first execution to happen. You see right here, it's scheduled. My monitor describes schedule. Scheduled. List any executions. Remember, my monitor from originally. Okay, whenever an execution does happen, okay, you're going to do -1 because you want the latest one. Although you can, if you've had many, you can go back in time and then do negative whatever. And then the code kind of speaks for itself, but it still hasn't executed in the previous cell. And then here's what you do for suggested constraints and baseline statistics. But this is to alert you whenever model drift happens, an execution happens. So it's very important that you deploy this, but this only works with tabular data. And I suggest you, if you're working with tabular data and only machine learning models, deploy this with it. Okay, let's go back to that. Probably still won't execute. It's scheduled, just didn't tell me when. Okay, default model monitor. Okay, so the XGB from originally, from that training job, deploy. And then you also want to do this as well. Basically, you're attaching it. Don't forget your My Monitor suggest baseline, although you can name that whatever you want. Default monitor, model monitor. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you.